The pedestrian plaza on 37th Road between 73rd and 74th Street was peaceful and bustling with shoppers Wednesday. A much different scene compared to earlier this year when merchants protested the plaza by shuttering their storefronts. The merchants said a lack of parking spaces and the new traffic pattern hurt their bottom line.
I'm not saying that this is wrong, this is right, but this affects my business.
After realizing the pedestrian plaza was here to stay and seeing the potential of the space, Shazia Khazar joined hands with the Gare Soleil to create Suki New York, an organization aimed at creating events in the pedestrian plaza.
10 months ago, this plaza was not working well, and the traffic patterns changed in terms of difficult traffic patterns, decline in business. We decided to go against it.
They worked closely with council member Daniel Drum to organize their first event last week, a festival to celebrate the Muslim holiday Eid. Merchants say they were pleasantly surprised by its success.
All kinds of people were here, and it generated the business over here. So that shows that it's beneficial for us. Before that, we were doubtful.
If these stores were empty, that would be the worst thing in the world that could happen to this area. So we want to support the businesses, we want to work together with the residents, and we want to try to make people as happy as they can possibly be.
While merchants agree on the success of such events, some are worried about the homeless that the plaza seems to attract.
Now a lot of posters the time in the night time you're gonna see homeless people sitting down here. They're scary.
This homeless always is very bad this area. Everything fighting and always drink.
Councilmember Drum's office says it's working with the local precinct to address the concerns about the homeless. In Jackson Heights, Agnes Chung, New York 1.